Hi friends, I'm from Regrob.com and in today's video we are at Jain Dream World City project which is located in Pailan, Kolkata. The left way leads towards Nepalgunj and the right way leads towards Pailan and IIM Joka. So this is the connecting road in front of the project. So friends, here we are giving you the internal view of the project and here you can see the service road. And this is the exterior view of Jain Dream World City project. It's an under construction project. Here you can take a view of ongoing construction work. So here you can take a view of surrounding. So now, here we are giving you the view of project model of Jain Dream World City. It's a project by Jain Group. The project is spread over 20 acres of land. And carries 24 number of towers with 9 number of floors each. It total comprises of 5,000 numbers of units. This project is very well equipped with all the modern amenities to facilitate the needs of the resident. As here in this model you can see. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 2 BHK model flat. So this is the view of living room. Over there you can see the dining hall. Here is an open kitchen. And this is an attached balcony with this living room. Now we are moving towards the bedroom area. And here comes the first bedroom of this apartment, of this model apartment. Here you can see the wardrobes. And this is the view of second bedroom. And here is an attached washroom with this bedroom. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK model flat. So friends, here comes the spacious living room. Here is the dining hall with open kitchen and an attached balcony. This is the common washroom. Here comes the first bedroom, the spacious bedroom, skillfully designed with an attached washroom. Now this is the second bedroom. Beautiful interior work has been done. And here comes the third bedroom of this flat. So thank you friends for watching the video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.